Welcome, here I've got CUBOT X30 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to this button, the second from the left. When we pick this, we get access to more options we can manage, and now let's tap on this button with settings. When we do it, we get access to the advanced camera settings. Now let's focus on the capture settings. At the second position here we have the geotagging option, so when we have this we can save the location of our picture. To turn this on and off we have to use this button like that. Now it's turned off. When I tap on this once again, we can easily turn it on. So this is how it works here, but also the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turned on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. And from here let's go to the left corner at the bottom. By tapping on this square here, we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our picture. To check its location we have to tap on this like that to get access to more options in the gallery. And now let's go to the right corner at the bottom to more. Here we have access to more options about the picture. Let's slide a little bit down and pick the details now. And as you can see here at the third position, we have the location with full address, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.